Forrest Gump once said, life is like a box of chocolates. And this episode, I think I might actually enjoy a box of chocolates.
You are what you eat.
Ooh, I don't like that one. Past 3 weeks, I couldn't have told you what everything we got and happened. Things I don't like. And things I do like. Let me start off, well, let's take it as the chocolate comes, eh? First of all, remember I told you I had some problems with the authorities. Well, it's carrying on and they're making my life or my school education. They've decided a lot of the things have got to change. That was nice. And they've changed it so it's going to be next to near impossible for me to finish my school education. Thanks. But you know what? I'm not going to give up. Because on the same note, I've been asked to write a whole new programme with Sam Smiler. A renowned dancer. I'll show you a picture of her from the distance.
And you are what you eat. And you're even what you eat. Here's a clue. Why don't you take a peek beneath your feet? You're made from, look at what you're made from's made from, cause the stuff that we're all made from is the same. Yeah, we goes from.
We've been working in the studio, in the dance studio, and we're writing a whole new piece, the two of us. I've got a clowning partner, so that's going to be really interesting and fun coming up. And talking of clowns and clowning around with Sam, recently Amelie Ecology.
Yeah, we goes from dust to dust. You gotta just trust that upper crust.
From Australia was here up in Dresden. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you Queen Bee #1, all the way from Australia.
Now I come from Australia with a very important message from the insects.
Really important, really
Really important. Do we have our listening antennae on?
I got them ready.
Because we're not all pests, we're not all pests, we're not all pests.
No, we're not.
We're not all pests, we're not all pests, we're not all pests. And we got Sam Smiler here, who's got a rap to share from the insects.
I got pollen on my chest and I really try my best. Please, may I suggest you stop calling me a pest.
Please, may I suggest you stop calling me a pest.
Please, may I suggest you
Stop calling me a pest.
Stop calling me a pest.
Stop calling me a pest. Stop calling me a pest.
Oh, stop calling me a pest. Please. She spent a wonderful 4 days with us and we had so much fun messing around.
Upper crust and maintain that good terrain from whence you came.
Coffee. I've given up drinking, smoking and drinking coffee because I want to reach the next level of my magic. Talking of magic, Claudia just recently saved a cat. Because I don't know if you know, but Claudia's a perfect animal communicator. And she actually found the lost cat from the distance, obviously. Built up communication with the cat And 5 minutes later, they found the cat because Claudia told them exactly where to look. She's really good. Cheers. Unfortunately, she also had to get a message through from Iduna. Because Iduna, remember Iduna?
We've been looking up, we've been messing around.
Our little kid. Our kid died last week. Sir, I'm just busy carrying a dying kid down the hill, alright? I'll call you back tomorrow or something.
We've been freaking out, but it's time to get down, down, down. Cause we're made up of common ground. Can't live without it, and it's time to get down, 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 down. When you flood,
Yeah. A bloated stomach can happen with young kids, especially the goat ones. We tried our best, but we couldn't save her. We just recently, the mountain over there, it's burning, well, our mountain, the mountain we're on just round the corner, a massive forest fire.
with the dirt, you'll observe it's certainly not inert. From a worm to a chicken bucket, you're never alone on the loam, and it's time to get to work.
It's been burning for the past 3 days. But you know what's really good? It's dying down now and the wind's not blowing in our direction. But you know what has been coming in our direction? We've opened up Pura Vida. I've had some woofers up around.
We've been looking up, we've been messing around, we've been freaking out, but it's time to get down, 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 'cause we're made up of common ground, can't live without it.
And all the way deep into October, we've got a load of woofers. We've got a load of woofers lined up. And our first two woofers, Maria and Wyatt. Guys, anywhere in the world, if you're watching this video right now and Wyatt and Maria sign up to come and woof on your farm, say yes. Say yes, they are definitely worth having around. Look what they've done all by themselves, and I've just sat on the camera and done nothing. Yeah, all that. Yeah, no, they're great, the two of them, they're great. We're brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So if Maria and Wyatt sign up to your farm, say yes as soon as possible. And we're looking forward to meeting loads of young, great young people from all around the world and teaching them a bit about permaculture. So Claudia's trying to tell me something. What? Was willst du mir sagen?
Ich will dann auch noch ein Praline, ein Marzipan oder so. Oder willst du die ganze Schachtel allein essen?
Wir sind nicht vegan. There you go, Claudia. Marzipan. Der ist ja schwarz. There you go, Claudia. Another one. We've also really been enjoying our outdoor kitchen because Pura Vida's got his own outdoor kitchen.
And it's time to get down, 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 down.
Mention we can sleep up to 12. So if you're a woofer and you're watching this and you want to come to Pura Vida, we've still got a space. Go to woofers.switzerland, woofers.com, check out Paradies Idesta and sign up. You're more than welcome. Oh, and you know what we've been doing as well? We expanded our chicken pens. now they're locked in again so the fox doesn't take them, we've expanded it all. I've attached it to the booze mews so they can go eat the flies and the maggots.
We've been looking up, we've been messing around, we've been freaking out, but it's time to get down, 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 'cause we're made up of common ground, can't live without it, and it's time to get down, down. We've been looking up.
Keep out the stable clean. Hino's pen has been expanded massively. Yeah, just to give them more space, because if they're not allowed to roam free, then at least you have more space. There you go, Guardian, another one for you.
Mit Marzipan nicht so ein.
There you go, marzipan. What else have we been up to, Claudia? Obviously, we've been grazing our goats a lot.
We've been messing around, we've been freaking out, but it's time to get down, down, down.
Moving them around, it's hot. I told you about Iduna. And otherwise, yeah, that's been our couple of weeks. A mixed sorted praline. Nice and sweet. Weather's been beautiful, extremely hot. We've had to look after the trees a bit because it's getting very dry in parts. The other parts where I've been doing my waterworks, they've nice and green. You can really tell we've been doing the waterworks, especially when it's hot like this. And otherwise, yeah, that's it for this week. Forgot two important things to tell you. What I was telling you about what everything's happening, it's not a whinging or a complaining, it's just keeping you updated. Because to tell you the truth, I actually totally trust in the process. Like I said, I can't do the farming school, I won't be able to finish the farming school, but at the same point, I'm moving on with Sam. So yeah, trust the process as it comes along. And then, trust in the process, I found myself a carriage.
Wie neue Kutsche, ist das so schön. We're made up of common ground, can't live without it, and it's time we just gotta get on down, 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 down. 'Cause you are what you eat, and you are what you eat, and you're even what you eats.
For my donkey, for Monsoon and I.
And it repeats, 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 it repeats.
We're going to get on that. We're going on the ecology way. We're going on our no diesel, no fuel. We're going on our carriage path. Yeah, just as soon as I've got it all sorted out and cleaned up. But yeah, that's something I forgot to tell you.
Down, down, down.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And thanks for commenting and even sharing. Because we're past 300 subscribers. Only 700 more to go. And you never know. See you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.